Hello everyone, and it's Tamar996 back in Unity. But what could I possibly have done? Well, you're just gonna have to see. So, guys, I got uh, uh, a helicopter for some reason. I don't know why I decided to do this, but I did. And some of my UI stuff isn't working. I just did, and yeah, pretty chill. I also try not to pick it up. Here it is. It's right here, people. Okay, so yeah, I made like structure building and stuff. I have no models because I'm that lazy. And I'm getting error messages. And you can just like build things. It's not very good because I don't have snapping yet. But you can do weird stuff like this, as you see. And I can do this, I think. I can. There. Okay, got it. I'm flying away. And so, guys, I got that, the ocean, but something else cool. Go ahead and speed hacks. Calling it Yeah, it's basically a speed hack, and there's also a god hack, which basically makes me immortal. Pretty nice. And I got some water. It has waves, and I can run around and swim. Nice speed hacks. And guys, I was hoping. I don't really know what I want to do. I wanted a short video, like a pretty short video at least. And I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do, guys. Can you believe it? I don't know what to do. So I'll start the video, I guess. Okay, guys. I got the UI working, I guess. So I got the chords, which have so many decimals. It's insane. I don't have enough space to display it all. I don't know how to fix it. I tried different ways and it didn't work. It did not work. But yeah, if you get out and get in and like does that kind of stuff, got my weird bubble and all that. So guys, let me know what kind of commands you want me to add in. That's always an interesting concept. People who like to hack the game, see what all kinds of new things. And by the way, that helicopter's probably just gonna be like a spawnable. I can't go too insane. I'm not doing nothing at all. I have no plans in my big brain. None. Eh. 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 So guys, I'm gonna try and learn about animations, I guess. So I can control animations on that. 'Cause right now it's just always going. The nice helicopter blades, but I want it to be like it's only on if you're in it. It sort of makes sense like that. So I'm gonna jump right in. Okay, guys. Well, I tried to learn animations. Didn't work out too well. Uh, it shows you my skill. So I thought I'd rather just work on the map. And it's much in need of work. So I thought maybe it would be a little bit of an enjoyable time lapse. But here's the thing: I'm not gonna get another camera and make a time lapse. That's not possible the way I want it. So it's gonna be first person. Just saying, it's not gonna be better than anything else we've ever done on this channel. So yeah. Okay, guys. So I guess you think I'm done? Oh yeah, right. People, I got ideas and all that stuff. Uh, Train's not too bad. I can't complain. I'm not a professional trainist or anything, but not too bad. So next thing is going to my project. This is, by the way, my helicopter is from Asset Store. It's just the model and all that stuff. Where is my thingy? Hold on, people. Tree 9. Where am I putting all my presets? Okay. Go ahead and just start putting in just a few of these trees and should fix everything. As you people know, trees fix everything. Team trees, people, team trees. Gotta plant them all, and yeah. So go ahead, put some more in the starter area, because these will be destructible. I will add like a whole thing to their preset and all that. And you can get wood from them. It'll be pretty nice. I also need to get my river water thing set up. Right now I only have ocean, which it's not too bad. Just because I have one water doesn't mean I don't have any water. So continue to place down trees everywhere, and one tree over here, look pretty nice. And then just put a few other aimlessly because I need trees around. Now let's see how this looks. Probably gonna be a bit darker because of all the forest and all that. Nice. So it's pretty cool. I wonder if my wind zone's working over here. Doesn't seem to be. I'll have to make it bigger. So yeah. I forgot what I was gonna be doing. Forgot something important. I feel like very important. Oh yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end this video off here. It's probably gonna be a very short one because I don't have too much time. So see you all later. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, smash that like button, all that YouTubey stuff, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.